You got nothing to say back. That's why you said shut up. You shut up. Shut your mouth. You try to skip me.
Okay, it's a train. You get on the train anytime.
I was waiting there for 15 minutes. She just got there. She tried to skip me.
I'm with you. Everybody knows the rules. Everybody knows when they got
New York
skipped.
City, there's no line.
You know the rules.
Well, New York City, you never get robbed.
Listen, I'm not hurt. Don't yell at my face.
Stay dead, please.
Yeah, come over here. Come over here.
Stay dead.
Yeah, come on over here.
Come on, guys. You look like kids. Come on.
It's a day for you.
Stay dead.
Yeah, now you want to come on.
He's the one who hit me. He hit me in the face.
Yeah, you assaulted me by yelling at me. You're on public assistance.
It's none of your business.
Yeah, it is. You're yelling at a lady in public. It is my business.
Man's woman are equal. It doesn't matter if I yell at a man or a woman.
It doesn't matter if you yell at me. You yell at her.
Yes, please. Can you get a policeman on board here? We got somebody dining in the first car. Sign says no eating and drinking. You don't get it? You don't get it. You must be stupid. I've seen people like you on TV. I tell you what, I'll get the police on board. How about that? Excuse me. Yes, please. Can you get a policeman on board here? We got somebody dining in the first car. Number 356. He's dining. Eating on the train? Eating on the train? Thank you very much.
现在就找他要。你没看到他？我看他简历，他这个时间看。
You should smile. I know. That's really so much.
Somebody doesn't ride bar very much.
Cheers. You eat your burrito. You eat it. Enjoy that shit.
Oh, eating or drinking something too fine.
People don't like bark much.
I ride BART more often than you. I see you do here all the time. Every Thursday and
But then
Friday.
maybe you should go talk to the people like shoot out. Yeah, what about the
Go to Civic Center.
This is not our
People
concern.
should not eat on BART.
Like, he's not our
People
concern.
should not eat on BART. Now, when he gets off, he can go eat. We're just not on BART.
Oh, shut it.
Do what you want.
Shut your mouth.
Do what I promise you. You lay a finger on me, you bring so far.